everybody, and today's top tip video is how to clean your makeup sponges. Now this one doesn't actually look that dirty, but you'll see in a minute it really is. So the trick is to add some makeup remover, give it a good squish, get it all over the sponge, and as you can see all that foundation is coming out. You might need a bit more just to give it an extra squish and get that makeup cleaner remover all the way through the sponge. Obviously when you've done this you need to rinse it quite a few times to get all the makeup out, because obviously it's all seeped through into the middle of the sponge. So as I say, looks can be deceiving. It didn't look that yucky, but look at what's coming out of it. So once you finish this, it's important then to pour on some boiling hot water, which you'll see in a moment. The reason for this, it helps kill germs that's within the sponge. Now ideally, you want to leave it soaking in the boiling water, but for the purpose of the video and to speed things up, I just put it in momentarily. Okay, as you can see here, I've repeated the process again because there was still quite a lot of yuck in there. So it depends on how dirty your sponge is. You might have to do this more than a couple of times. But as you can see, it really is effective. Now it really is important to do the boiling water part because, you know, makeup brushes, makeup sponges get full of not only makeup, but as we said earlier, germs. Okay, and obviously we don't want to be putting germs on our face when we're putting makeup on. The alternative is once you've rinsed out some of the makeup, you can also pop these sponges in with your washing and give it a good thorough wash that way. But it's important really to try and get most of the gunk off if you can. Okay, so there you go. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you give it a try. Please obviously be careful with the boiling water. You know, don't just dip your hand straight in. I've just literally swishing it about at the top. As you can see, I'm going to empty that and then put some cold water on before I squeeze all the boiling water out of the sponge. But like I said earlier, leave it to soak if you want to kill all the germs, or the majority of them, we hope. Okay, so there we go. It's quick and easy to get your makeup, sponges and your brushes using this same method. Super clean, super quick. Okay, obviously once you've done this you need to pop them to dry. Thank you so much for watching.